Did you know that air pollution killed 4.2 million people in 2019? Polluted air has the same health impact as smoking. The smoke volume depends on where you live. Now, the World Health Organization said that. And you think that all this sort of heavy breathing action is going to protect you. My point is there's no need to worry. I know what you're thinking. What can I do? I have a solution that provides premium air filtration, even if you have this dude living in your house.
Hey, come to the pool!
It's simple. For you, we have crafted the air mask. This little baby filters out 97% of all particles up to 0.1 micron. What's a micron? I don't know either, and it doesn't matter. The point is, this mask is made from the finest eco-friendly moisture-wicking bamboo fabric and a 5-layer filter. 5 layers. You think your little paper mask has 5 layers? No. The point is, it filters out dust, pollen, gas, and other hazardous materials.
Brother, your numbers are great, you're doing well, keep going.
Exhaust fumes. We've also designed 5 timeless colours for you to wear for all your activities. It looks good while training, commuting, heading to work, or just hanging. This is a new kind of mask, where function meets style. You actually feel comfortable breathing in it, and you can even choose your oil-infused filter, depending on the mood you're in. Now, I don't know about you, but I've always thought that breathing was a huge bonus. We are an experienced, independent company that believes in the goodness of people. We also believe that you have the right to know the true cost behind our masks, so that we can deliver them direct to you at the minimum cost. We have sourced the best eco-friendly materials and ethical factories to create timeless masks to wear for years. The Air Mask is ready to go. Partner with us and get yours.